Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to get Google Meet on Windows. Today I'll show a very easy process to get Meet in Windows. First of all, open Chrome browser and open Google Meet here. After that, click on this three-dot icon and click on More Tools, create shortcut. Name this Google Meet and make sure to check this open a new window. Then click on Create. And then here we can see a Google Meet icon has been created on our desktop. Now if I open it, and here we can see Google Meet is running into my desktop. And if you want to uninstall this Google Meet from Windows, click on this three-dot icon, then click on Uninstall Google Meet, remove, and here we can see Google Meet has been removed. This is how we can get Google Meet on Windows. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.